Ngayong aga, breakfast ni Mishka, dosa with peanut chutney and pomegranate. Ito pa rin yung aming peanut chutney. Mishka is writing. What are you writing, Mimi? Sabi niya, I will make A+. Good job, Mishi.
Good job.
Good job. A+.
My mom gave me that.
That one? On your book, Mom has written A+. Ito naman yung akin, guys. Tatlong dosa. Meron pang isa doon sa pan. And yan kay Mishka. Hindi pa kinakain yung dosa. Ito yung kinakain niya, yung pomegranate. Kinuha niya doon sa ref. Mag-almusal muna kami kasi after nito, punta kaming tindahan kasi plano ko mag-bake ng banana.
Banana.
What are we going to bake?
Milk.
Banana what?
Bread.
Banana bread. Pero wala kaming banana. So, kailangan namin bumili ng banana. Kain muna tayo. Dip in your sauce na. Hindi siya kumakain ng dosa. Yung pomegranate lang yung sige niya kain. No, there's already water. This one, other one. Okay. My little helper.
What happened to plant?
That aloe vera pa. It's okay, baby. Yeah.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
Wala nang makitang ibang hair clip. Let me see, B. Linis pa ako sa kusina. Tapos tingnan nyo yung bata. Meron na yung lipstick, may eyeshadow, and nahanap niya itong tinatago kong ganyan. Pero ang ganda niya, in fairness. But she looks so pretty, in fairness. Be, let me see, Be. Now you are pretty. Clean up your mess so that we can go now.
Mommy, please put my English on. Please.
Tara, let's. Bibili lang naman kami ng saging, pero yung kasama ko, naka-outfit talaga. Mishi, come here. Come here. Mimi. Mimi, stand up. Oh, there's ant. Oh, okay. Oh, insect. Bibili lang naman kami ng saging, guys, pero naka-fairy outfit siya. Mimi, look here, be. Let me see your face. So pretty, be. Siya yung pumili ng kanyang dress. Siya yung naglagay ng headband, yung sapatos at saka medyas. What are we going to buy?
Banana. Egg.
Egg. What else?
Chocolate chia.
No, we're not going to buy cereal.
Cereal. Talking Tong is eating cereal.
Huh?
Talking Tong is eating cereal.
No, but you're eating food. You don't need to eat cereal.
Yes, I do. Oh, please, can I?
No, baby. Daddy don't like cereal.
Huh?
Daddy don't like that you eat cereal.
Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you. Meron naman akong flower. From Mimi. Hold Mommy's hand. Gusto niya uminom ng coconut. Bili muna tayo ng coconut before dumiretso doon sa supermarket. Do you want to drink?
So many masks.
Malay, anak?
Wala.
How much?
50.
Coconut jelly ni Mishka. Excited na yan kumain. Yay! Happy na naman siya kasi andito na kami sa aming mall. Tingin-tingin lang tayo dito sa supermarket kasi yung mga kailangan ko talaga andito na. Gusto lang niyang umakyat dito sa first floor para magtingin-tingin.
That's my mommy.
You like that one?
Yes.
But we're not buying that, okay?
Okay. Can you buy this one? This is so pretty. That's a baby.
Okay,
Can
next
I
time.
buy?
Next time.
Okay. Ooh. Mommy, see that?
Ooh, that's for mommy.
My was buy this for you.
No, because we already have that at home.
Okay, let's buy tomorrow.
Okay.
Wow, so big.
Wow, that's nice.
Can I buy?
No, baby, we already have that.
Mommy, this thing.
Huh? That's the same one that Daddy bought for you. Okay, na Mimi, no. You already have that at home.
Ew, see.
Yes. Oops. Laro-laro lang. But we're not going to buy. Mickey Mouse?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse is not there. Mickey Mouse only.
Baby.
Yeah. Okay, put it back now.
Mommy, see, this is so cool.
So cool.
Yeah.
What's that? Heart.
It's yellow.
Yeah. And then other side it will be red. Okay, enough now.
Mommy, 1 minute.
What's that?
Elephant.
Elephants.
Dinosaur.
Wow.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Okay, now let's go now.
Just 1 minute.
Last 1 minute.
I just dinosaur bag.
No, baby.
Okay. Because.
And we are home. Tulungan niya na ako kasi magluluto na kami ng para sa aming lunch. So, yung patatas, pinapabalatan ko sa kanya. Nagsusubba lang ako dito ng talong. Ginisang talong. Dito dal. Dito naman rice. Aking little helper andyan. Ilang patatas na lang. Isang patatas na lang. Ito yung aking mga binili doon sa tindahan.
Matli so
soya chunks, gatas ni Mishka, spring onion, harina, green chili, banana. Si Mishka yung pumili nito. Atis na naman. Gusto na naman niyang kumain ng atis.
Ate?
Atis. Konti lang naman itong mga binili ko, guys. Yung mga kailangan lang talaga namin. Some lemon. And ito, yung banana na gagamitin ko sa aking banana bread. Hindi pa siya hinog na hinog, pero okay na yan. Last is guava. Good job, Mimi.
Mommy, how's that here? Mommy, how's that here?
Yeah? What's that? Again? Okay. Sounds like that? Okay. Dito naman, mag-start na kaming mag-prepare ng para sa aming banana bread. Para pag uwi ni Abdi for lunch, meron kaming pang dessert. Another one. So, 3 bananas.
No, just banana.
Okay.
Banana.
Yes, very good. Ito yung magpapabigay ng lasa, guys. Kasuri methi. Lagay ko muna pala sa lagayan. Wait. Here. Uli na. Smells good. Smell again. Smells good. Ayun na ng amoy. Ito yung itsura niya, guys.
Shall we check?
Matigas na naman. Okay. Slowly.
Shall we?
It's okay.
Can I clean? Can I clean, Mommy?
Yeah, you can clean. That's nice. You're helping Mommy. Close it up. You like eggplant?
Yes.
Are you going to eat eggplant?
No.
Why?
I want banana bread.
I'm gonna bread later, but first we have to eat food. Okay? It's hot. Look, it's okay.
Almost.
Almost. I'm done.
Me.
Good job, baby. Ready na yung aming butter. Ready na din yung isa. Pinaglalaroan na yung aming pan. Okay. Okay. Enough. I will do, baby. So, ito na lang yung tadka, and then after nito, tapos na ako. Ito yung dal. Dito ko ilalagay yung tadka. And ito yung patatas, and yung ating ginisang eggplant. Hinayaan ko siya mag-enjoy dito. Naglalaro kasi siya ng tubig doon sa likuran namin. Mas safe dito sa harap kasi mas malaki yung space doon sa likod. Ang liit ng space. You want to swim? You can't swim. There, that side. Oh. Kasi mainit ito. Ready? Set, go! No, not my turn. I will not get wet, love, love. Ready? Set.
Go! I must take a bath.
Yeah, take a bath. Dito pa talaga kami nag-take a bath sa harap. Kapitbahay kanina namin ng mga bata. Naglalaro sila ng mga balls. Naglinis ako and nag-enjoy na din si Mishka sa kakalaro sa tubig. Dito na lang paliguan.
Give me some more water.
What?
More water.
More water you want?
Yes.
Okay. Aragay.
Why you splash me?
Okay.
Why you splash me?
Okay.
Why you splash me?
It's a fountain. Ready, set, go. Come here. This is still part of Mishka's Children's Day celebration. Come here. Okay.
Give me some more water.
Okay, I'll get water. Luto na itong aming banana bread. Kaya lang hindi na siya nahintay ni Abhi. Medyo nasunog pa nga eh. Kasi minadali ko, tinaasan ko yung temperature para umabot. Pagdating ni Abhi, naluto na siya. So ayan, medyo dark brown siya. Perfect. Takpan lang natin siya. Ayan. Open! Ta-da! You have to eat or not?
What?
Not? No? I thought you want to eat.
No.
Then mommy only. Let's see my banana bread. Yummy. Nilagyan ko din to ng chocolate, guys.
That's always blue and white.
Yes. Good evening, guys.
Good evening,
Good
guys.
afternoon. Maayong hapon.
Maru aga.
Mayong aga is good morning. Mayong hapon.
Namu hapon. Maru.
Hapon. Lalabas kami ni Mishka ngayon. Dahil kahapon yung Children's Day and plano ko talaga kahapon na dalhin si Mishka sa Raja Seat para makapaglaro siya doon sa playground. Ma-enjoy niya yung kanyang special day.
Can you see my school?
It's close, love. Pero hindi kami nakalabas kahapon dahil may tinapos ako na gawain. So ngayon na lang, continuation ng kanyang Children's Day yesterday. Where are we going, love?
Raja Seat.
What are you going to do in Raja Seat?
Swing.
Swing. Okay. And weekend today, Friday na. So, ma-enjoy man lang niya yung weekend vibes
Namu si
dito sa Madikeri.
I went with Annabelle and with Mommy.
Yeah, the traveler. Okay, wait lang.
Monday I
Lapit na kami, guys. Yeah?
Monday I Mommy.
Kapag nakikita niya yung traveler na ganito, naaalala niya si Mitty and si Anay. Kasi kasama niya daw dati sa kanyang sasakyan.
Annie Baya.
Okay, si Anay Baya. Okay. Tapos naalala niya na sumuka siya nung nasa Kerala kami.
Annie Baya.
Okay, Anay Baya. Konting walking na lang. Kita niyo na, dami ng sasakyan. Aska, hold on. Happy ka?
Mommy. I also have my balloon. Tabda. Okay na.
Got our ticket. Give Uncle. dito. Sinabihan ko na siya na hindi kami sa colorful ngayon. Doon tayo sa free. Dito guys, 100 rupees yung ticket. And dito, libre. Public playground. You're happy? Recently ko lang na-discover na hindi mo pala kailangan bumili ng ticket. Dito lang pala sa kabila yung merong entrance fee, yung trampoline, tsaka yung kanilang colorful na slide. Pero dito, meron ding slide, swing, seesaw. Hanggang dito yan sa kabila. Yung entrance fee lang na 20 yung kailangan mong bayaran para makapaglaro dito sa Mishka. Kasi nga naghahanap ako ng malapit na playground na makapaglaro si Mishka. Hindi yung kada punta namin, magbabayad kami ng 100 rupees. Okay. At least dito, na-discover ko na merong mapaglaruan si Mishka. Uy! Gymnast? Good job, Mish. Hold tightly. Hold tightly. Good job. Are you brave? Are you strong? Okay. Diyan sa taas guys, meron silang adventure trail dyan. Merong bata pala. O, pwede pala bata. Hanggang doon. Tapos merong zipline din dyan. Marami ka din pwedeng gawin dito sa Raja City. Pag bata, may nag-a-assist lang guys. Pag mga adults na, wala nang kailangan assistance. We are home. Hinintay talaga namin na mag-close yung Raja City ng 7:30. Yes. No, later. For dinner, magluto ako ng special fried rice. Ano lang, fried rice na merong egg. Meron siyang na-meet na friend. What's the name of your friend? Ira. Yeah, may nakilala siyang friend doon sa Raja City. Siya yung kalaro ni Mishka doon all the time. Wow! Look at this. Dinner! Malilate sa abi ng uwi. It's already 8. So kami muna ni Mishka yung kakain ng hapunan.
Can I buy a yellow phone?
No.
Please.
Finish your food first. What is the name of your friend?
Nira.
Not Nira. It's Ira.
Ira.
Yeah, Ira. Her name is Ira.
Ira.
Mm.
Monkey. Can I see Mr. at mommy?
No. Time to eat.
You must play with me. Come on. Why do you have a hop like this? Monkeys. 7, 8, 9. Do you teach me how to slide in a precious? Just cut again. In a precious. Just cut again.
The elephant said, "Don't start again."
Yes.
Is it?
This is apple.
It's a heart.
Heart.
Yeah. She's not feeling well daw. Sabi niya, "Mommy, can you play with me?" So, let's play. Tapos na ako maghugas ng pinggan. Busog na din kami. So, let's play. Habang naghihintay kay Abhi, maglaro tayo dito. What are we going to do?
Make a robot.
Make a what?
Robot.
Robot.
Check.
Alam ko na hindi lang ako nag-iisa
Play.
na nanay na
Play.
nagigilty minsan. Everyday na magsasabi siya, "Mommy, do you want to play with me?" Or, "Mommy, let's play." "Mommy, I want to play with you." Mga ganun. Pero yung madalas is yung nagtatanong siya na, "Mommy, you want to play with me?" And minsan, nagmamadali kang magluto para mapakain mo siya kasi gutom na siya. Or minsan, naghuhugas ng pinggan, tinatapos mo yung kailangan mong gawin para at least ma-relax ka na, magawa mo yung makipaglaro sa kanya. So,
Mommy.
yeah, okay, I'm making my robot. So, yan yung madalas na nagigilty ako. Kapag tinatanong niya ako na, "Mommy, you want to play with me?" Yung sa pagluluto talaga, like kapag nagluluto ako, tapos gusto niyang makipaglaro, hindi mo alam kung ano yung uunahin mo ba. Makipaglaro ka sa kanya, hindi ka makakapagluto ng pagkain, gutom siya. Iniiwasan ko kasi yung gutom siya kasi Pag gutom, syempre minsan kung ano-anong stocks lang yung kakainin niya. Tapos hindi siya mabubusog talaga. So gusto ko yung unahin ko yung pagluluto talaga ng pagkain ba.
Mommy, do you like it?
Yes, I like it. Siguro hindi lang ako yung nakaka-feel ng, mom guilt. Parang feeling mo minsan hindi mo siya nabibigyan ng atensyon, ng oras, kahit na alam mo naman sa sarili mo na yung lahat ng ginagawa mo ay para sa kanya. Luto para sa kanya, maglinis ng bahay kasi gusto mong maayos yung bahay para sa kanya. Mag-edit, magtrabaho, mag-vlog. Iniisip ko kasi yung pagtatrabaho ko na to is para din sa kanya.
Robot.
Robot?
Yes.
Okay. We are building
House.
a house? Oh no! You broke my tower!
Mommy, this is for Buddha. Don't put that for this is for a house.
Yeah, that's Kuya's block.
Lego.
Lego. It's not block, it's a Lego. My house is so cute. Can you give me yellow?
Yellow.
This one I want. This one.
Maybe use some green.
No, I want yellow because my roof is yellow. I want yellow.
Okay. Well, that's one.
Careful. Can I help you? Oh, so big.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
See, now I have a house.
Now I have a big house. Look at that.
So big.
Yeah. What's here? Can I borrow that one tonight? This is my new house.
Can you build a snowman?
Look at that!
Wow!
Hello guys, welcome my channel. Today, my mommy have her baby in a belly.
What's up, baby
I'm
noodles?
making a big towel. My towel is doing me happy and he's doing said let's go in my house and
Who said that?
said okay bye.
Wait. Wait. Straight. Oh no.
If you watch my video, like this time, like my video, like this time. Bye.